Good morning, my dear students. Today's topic is online marketing and global marketing. Let us discuss about online marketing and global marketing. Online marketing is also called as internet marketing. Internet marketing or online marketing, which is referred to the advertising and marketing efforts that use the web and email to drive direct sales via electronic commerce. Here, internet marketing or online marketing are using advertising marketing efforts towards online more towards the customers. Here, through the help of online marketing or internet marketing, we can promote our products, our services, our company in marketing. We can easily attract our customers towards our products. And here in online marketing, it mainly uses web and email to drive the direct sales. To increase the direct sales, here internet marketing is using web and email. Here we are doing the online marketing and internet marketing. It is also called as electronic commerce and e-commerce. Internet marketing and online advertising efforts are typically used in conjunction with traditional types of advertising such as radio, television, newspapers, and magazines. Internet marketing and online advertising efforts are typically used in conjunction with traditional types of advertising such as radio, television, newspapers, and magazines. Specialized areas of internet marketing is here. Internet marketing can also be broken down into more specialized areas such as web marketing, email marketing, and social media marketing. Here, internet marketing can be broken down into several marketing areas such as web marketing, email marketing, social media marketing. Coming to web marketing. Here, web marketing includes e-commerce, means electronic commerce, means electronic business. Online marketing or internet marketing is also called as e-commerce. Web marketing includes e-commerce websites and affiliate marketing websites and promotional or informative website. Here, some websites are there. It will provide the information towards the products and services and company information. So, this type of information websites are called as informative websites, or these also called as promotional website, because here these promotional websites are promoting the business and business ideas and business goods, business products, and business services, etc. Online advertising on search engines and organic search engines results via search engine optimization is SEO. Here, email marketing involves both advertising and promotional marketing efforts. Here, email marketing involves both advertising. It is advertising the about products and services and company, and it is also promoting the marketing efforts. It is also using the marketing efforts, and it is also promoting the products and services and company in the marketing via email messages to the current and prospective customers in the market. And coming to social media marketing involves both advertising and marketing, including viral marketing efforts via social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Dig. Here, social media marketing involves both advertising and marketing. Here, social media is helpful for advertising of products and services, and it is also marketing our products in the market. Via social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Dig are also examples for social media marketing. Search engine optimization involves the optimizing of landing pages within your website to increase the number of visitors. Advantages of online marketing: lower cost compared to the traditional or offline marketing. It is far cheaper to promote your products and to promote your business. And other money making ventures online. Here, online marketing is very cheaper compared to offline marketing. We can easily promote our business, promote our ideas, promote our products and services in online media. This is especially true about advertising. In fact, some of techniques for promoting a business, making money online are completely free. Here, promoting of a business in online media is very free and making money online is completely free. Unlike traditional and media such as TV and newspapers, you will only spend a split fraction of what it will cost to promote a business traditionally. Here, compared to television, newspaper, and other traditional media, online marketing cost is very low. So, if you choose the online media marketing you will be very much benefited. In addition to being cost effective, internet making is also time saving as it takes and less time to find customers and accomplish transaction. By the help of online media marketing, we can accomplish our transaction very easily and reliably. We can find the targeted customers very easily. We can save our time. And coming to the global audience, there are also the advantage of gaining a global audience. Unlike a traditional business that is restricted within its boundaries of operation. Previously, our businesses are very traditionally within the boundary only it will be performing their business activities. Compared to now the business is globalized. So every product from India is exporting to all over the world and all over the world products are imported to India from different various countries to India. By the exporting and importing era, India economy was built very strong. In 1990, when the Rajiv Gandhi was died, after that, due to some circumstances, unknownly, P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu became a Prime Minister of India. In that time, Manmohan Singh became a financial minister and they have introduced the LPG scheme, liberalization, privatization, globalization. That tends to a lot of change in India all over the world. Before that, there is no exporting products from India. There is no importing products from foreign countries towards India. When the LPG scheme was introduced by P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu and Manmohan Singh, then imports and exported revenue is generated. Then the globalized marketing is started. That leads to huge profits and wide expansion of business all over the world. So even if your online, offline office is closed for business, customers and prospects will still find you through your website, places their orders. If your offline office is closed, there is no problem. If so many customers will visit your websites and keep your orders by choosing your products in the website. Reliable technology. The reliable technology that powers the web, hence, your internet is based business is one of major benefits of hosting your business online. And technologies are getting better and more sophisticated by the day. Here, technology is updating day to day and technology is very useful in business sector for expansion of a business. So with the top-notch technologies online, you don't have to worry about your emails being delivered, email marketing to your target audience on a timely manner. Here, due to high rapid speed technology, reliable technology, we did not to get worried whether our email has sent to our friend or not. By the help of technology updation, we are able to forward emails within the time period. we are easily doing email marketing, that is direct marketing, by the help of reliable technology. On the other hand, the traditional mail system takes days or even weeks to deliver mail to their destination. Previously, when online marketing or internet marketing is not at all available, then email marketing takes a very much time period. When online marketing and internet marketing started, then somewhat speed has taken place compared to previously traditional email marketing. And now reliable technology is updated. Due to this reason, our email marketing is doing rapid speedily. Disadvantages of internet marketing is face-to-face contact is limited. Limited face-to-face contact is one of major drawback of internet marketing. Previously, when you are purchasing the goods at shopping malls, you are able to do face-to-face contact with your business people and with your customers. When the internet marketing is started, face-to-face contact is limited because it is offline market. It is online market. Business that carried out solely online, solely online do not usually get to build strong personal rapport with their customers. We are using internet marketing is very good manner. We are getting very fruitful results. But why we are using internet marketing, we are not building our rapport with our customers previously. As a result, they may eventually lose some of their customers to this type of traditional competitors and who engage store customer service tactics. Marketing complexity. The visual nature of internet marketing increases market complexity. By using of internet, market will become a very complex, very critical situation. New entrants tend to confuse how to choose profitable online marketing techniques. Some people are coming newly into the market. They're using the online services. They are getting the confusion how to get the profits, how to usage of online marketing. Due to this reason, marketing is complexity here. Customers also face so much of complexity in the aspects of shopping online. In fact, the uninformed consumers would rather stick to conventional buying than endure such online purchasing complexity. So many people don't know how to purchase in online marketing. They are also depending still now on traditional marketing only. When they enter into the online marketing, so many people don't know how to search the product, how to purchase the product, how to check whether this product is a genuine or branded or not, due to lack of education on online marketing. So we want to build up the awareness on online marketing towards the customers. Then only our market or our business will be expand in a good manner. But in all, as you can see, the advantages of internet marketing far surpass the disadvantages. Coming to the next concept, global marketing. Global marketing also very important modern marketing concept in marketing management subject. Global marketing. According to the Philip Kotler, global marketing is widely recognized as one of a current leading authorities on the subject. Marketing is a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtains what they need and what through creating, offering and exchanging products of values. Here, marketing is a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and exchanging products of value with others. This is a general definition. We know that from the concept of management of marketing involves several aspects like planning, research, marketing knowledge, and segmentation. These are very important topics in global marketing: planning, research, market knowledge, and segmentation. Global marketing is defined as the process of adjusting the marketing strategies of your company to adapt to the conditions of other countries. Of course, Global marketing is more than selling your product or service globally. It is full process of planning, creating, positioning. Here, global marketing is full of process of planning, creating, and positioning and promoting your products in a global market. Here, process of planning means here planning how to sell products in global ways and creating the positioning of global customers about your products and services and your company. And we are promoting your products and your services and about your company in global market. These are global marketing strategies. There are many benefits of global marketing when it is done. First, it can improve the effectiveness of your products or services. When globalized market is introduced, then competition will be increased. Due to this, we immediately will improve the effectiveness of your products and services. This is because the more you grow, the more you learn, and faster you learn, you become more effective at producing new products and servicing offer. Now the competition become globalized. Second, you are able to have strong competitive advantage. They are having very tough competition in the market. So we should follow the proper standards and qualities in service and products. Then only we can give tough competition in the market. It is easy to enough for companies to be competing in local market, but there are very few companies who can do so on worldwide. Here we want to give tough competition in local market and worldwide arena also. Hence, if you can compete in the worldwide market and your competitors cannot, you have become a strong force in your industry. Third, you increase consumer awareness of your brand and product or service. We want to increase the consumer awareness about particular products and particular brands, particular service, particular companies. And through the internet, consumers can keep track of your progress in the world. Finally, global marketing can reduce your cost and increase your savings in focusing on other markets. You can attain economies of scale and range by standardizing your process. Here, when the global marketing concept is derived in all over the world, then the competition is increased. Now, many companies which are existing all over the world, they are improving their qualities, they are improving their standards in manufacturing of products and providing services. Not to mention the savings that you get when you leverage the internet. Global marketing, applications of 4Ps in global marketing. Here, the following illustration depicts the global marketing mix of McDonald's. It shows how McDonald's varies its marketing strategy according to requirements of different local markets. Here, in marketing management, 4Ps concept is, that is, marketing mix is very important. Here, I would like to say that McDonald's company is using 4Ps marketing mix concept in different local markets. Let us see. McDonald's global marketing. Here it is using marketing mix elements and standardization and localization. Here we are having 4 different P's, means 4 P's, that is called marketing mix: product, promotion, place, price. Coming to the product, standardization is Big Mac. Coming to the localization, Melo, Tikka, potato burger in India. Here, McDonald's company product, Big Mac, is selling all over the world. But compared to in India, local market, we are selling that same product as a Melo, Tikka, potato burger. And promoting in this all over the world, brand name advertising slogan is I am loving it. What is the tagline of McDonald's? I am loving it. And coming to the local, that is Australian film Slang Macas is a promotional tagline in Australia, and Macado is a promotional tagline of McDonald's in Philippines. Coming to the place, freestanding. Coming to India, we are providing home deliveries of McDonald's products and Swiss's rail system dining costs. And last P, price. Price of McDonald's product is Big Mac is $3.10 in United States and Turkey. And coming to the localization in Switzerland, $5.21, $5.21 in Switzerland. And coming to China, $1.31. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.